Stop writing headlines that scream ChatGPT. Harnessing the power of. Delve into the transformative world. Unlock the power of.
Total game changer.
Dive deep into. In the realm of. Great content. AI tools like ChatGPT mimic popular phrases so often it's become a bit lame. But what can you do about it? You can still be authentic and get powerful use out of it. Here's a few examples. ChatGPT is excellent for content ideation, and you can maximize this strength by using it for things like limiting common phrases with the custom instruction setting, clear prompts, feedback, and it's even good at automating workflows. However, use specialized tools for specific tasks, whether that's copy revisions, keyword research, audience research, such as Headline Analyzer, the Hemingway app, or SparkToro. And don't even get me started on the emojis. We're marketing, not decorating a Christmas tree. Want to harness? Yep. I'm going there. The true power of ChatGPT. Dive deeper into my blog post and get ahead of the AI monotony and wield it with excellence. Your unique perspective deserves it. For more marketing, sales, and tech insights, visit my blog and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.